What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we've been seeing XRP that has been making moves this past 24 hours, and we're all freaking excited about it. We've seen levels that it hit. We've seen pullbacks, retracements, right? We see it hit some highs, right? And people are questioning whether it's going to get back to all-time highs. But the volume that we've seen in the last 24 hours cannot go unnoticed. We have to talk about the increase in volume, what this means for the crypto market, and how much it means for other positions that are also in the crypto market, not just this one. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, you can definitely follow me there. Also, make sure you check out my Kick, where I stream a lot. And if you want notifications, you'll get those notifications over there. But this past 24 hours has been insane. I was golfing on the golf course. I was in a scramble tournament. I came back from the scramble tournament, saw that XRP was running, ended up seeing some of the news titles. I didn't really get into the detail, but I saw some of the news titles, and I was so excited. I wanted to share it with somebody. I couldn't share it with anybody because nobody really cared about crypto that much that was there. Most of them cared about other things. They were in a whole nother field. But I wanted to share it with somebody. So I was like, I need to get home because I want to kind of talk about this. I want to go and put some information out, go and put out a video, which we did a live stream on the way home, as well as live stream when we got back into the house and created 2 videos related to XRP and talking about that as well. And now here is another one just talking about the main purpose for this video is around the volume, right? Volume means everything within crypto. If you ask me about a suggestion for any position, like if you're like, hey, I want a suggestion if I should buy this position, or what do you see within, Terra Luna Classic or Shiba Inu or whatever, I focus on volume so much more. And the reason why I do that is because volume equals popularity. There's a fly here. Volume equals popularity. And I think it's super important to see popularity within a position, to see popularity within the market. It just means so much to everybody investing, every retail investor, every institutional investor, just overall, you need to see volume. Now, as you see in the title, there are billions of dollars that have gone through this in volume. I don't know about you, but when I see billions, when I see that next level, that next comma, it definitely creates, an increase. And we've seen that with XRP. If we look at XRP currently, it is up 10%. That's based on the 24-hour volume. As of the time of looking at this, which I'm looking at it at 138. By the time you guys see this video, we'll probably see it down because of what's going to happen. It's going to have the level of 2 o'clock. So when you see this video, it will be somewhere around 3 o'clock, which should be probably somewhere around here, right, where it hit sort of its low point. So it might look like it's sort of flat, but it still will look like it's down unless it somehow skyrockets by that time. But we saw it get all the way up to about 94 cents and then decreased all the way down to about 74, 73 cents. And I think it was like 72 actually. And then it started to pick up a little bit. You saw it level out. And right now we're in more of this consolidation phase. It is starting to hit some of the lower points of, again, 72, 73 cents. And we're seeing a little bit of a retracement here. But the thing I would like to point out is even though we're seeing that retracement, even though we're seeing it pull back a little bit, look at the numbers over to the left, right underneath the price. You see the market cap is 38 billion. And if we go back here, we're going to see that BNB has reclaimed its 4th spot because it is worth 39 billion. It hasn't really taken a dive, but XRP has been falling again in the last hour. It's down about 3% over the last 24 hours, up 4%. Again, 24-hour cutoff. Now, what you are seeing is, again, that just changed because I guess volume didn't really go in as much, but you are seeing $12 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours, which again, by the time you guys see it, the volume will change. And the reason why the volume will change is because you're seeing majority of the volume that just happened, you know, hours beforehand. Like we're looking at a 24-hour window, and that 24-hour window moves. It shifts like this. Like it just continues to shift. And you guys can't even see my hands on screen. It continues to shift like this. Like it doesn't shrink down. The 24 hours doesn't go to 10 hours or anything. It stays at 24, but it just shifts. So with that being said, you're seeing $12 billion worth of volume, right? And I'll change the title because I was going to put $14 billion worth of volume, but I just got to the video a little bit late. So $12 billion worth of volume that happened in 24 hours. That means a lot. Now you're probably like, oh, well, $12 billion should equal $1 of a price point. And honestly, it would have equaled $1 of a price point. It was on its way. Again, if you look at TradingView, and break down where it has gone, right? If we look at 30-minute time frame, we've seen that this has gone to 93, almost 94 cents. And as it's getting up to that point, you're also seeing negative volume that goes into it. People that are taking profit. It's understandable. And people that take profit, that's also volume. It's not just 100% buy volume like Coinbase says. You're seeing buy volume, you're seeing sell volume, and that contributes to the overall volume. But what does that mean for a position? It means we have popularity, right? We have more money that's going into the crypto market. So money's being made from the crypto market, and money is also being spent elsewhere. As they are taking profit from XRP, they're putting it into other positions that they see fit, which is understandable. It makes sense, right? If I have a certain position that I've made money off of, I'm going to take some of those profits and put it in an opportunity that has not yet run yet, right? I said yet twice, but that has not run yet. So what they're doing totally makes sense. We've seen it time and time again. We've seen it with Dogecoin. Billions of dollars flowed through there. Billions of dollars flowed out and ends up flowing into other positions that are there. So it means a lot for the crypto market. But the real question is like, will this reach all-time highs? Will XRP end up reaching all-time highs if we're always going to have those people that are taking profit? Well, all-time highs for this position, right? I believe it's $3.80. All-time high, yeah, $3.84. It is going to take some finessing in order to get there because they did have a lower supply at that point. So it is going to take some finessing to get there short term. Long term, I believe it will. Right? Short term is where you're like, all right, well, we're going to see resistances at certain levels. $1, $1.20, $1.50, $1.70, $1 or $1.90, $2, $2.50. So we're going to see multiple resistances between that point. And until we see a major bull run, yes, I believe we will finally see that. But my steps that I'm taking, as you've seen with my exit plan, is that you're looking at me to double and triple my position before I decide to take that initial investment and leave the rest that is in there. So, anyways, it's fantastic that we see this much volume. Fantastic that we see 12 to 14, billion dollars worth of volume in the last 24 hours. But the mission is not done yet, right? This is just the beginning, right? Seeing a $1.25 trillion market cap where I saw it was phenomenal, but the mission is not complete. The mission is not done. And I'm sure that we will see more pumping in the future as long as we see positivity within the crypto market. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.